Okay, here is a brand new Luxaire central air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a 2003 Comfortmaker unit that I filmed lots of times before. Currently not running. This unit is a 1.5 ton, and I think it's from 2025. And this unit has a rotary compressor, I think. Yeah, it has a rotary compressor. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial complex in my town that I filmed at lots of times before. And not sure if this unit's been running, but yeah. It's a shame that old Comfortmaker got replaced, because I really like that Comfortmaker that was here. This unit has microchannel, of course. Pretty sure this unit actually has R454B refrigerant. This is probably a E2L unit. But yeah. But yeah, just saying here a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.